I'm specially trained as a neuropsychologist, which basically means a brain scientist who studies the development of the brain and all the skills and functions. Language skills, memory skills, motor skills, visual processing, sensory skills, touch, taste, smell, fine motor, gross motor skills, and then how those skills all build to higher level abilities as well, like the reading, spelling, writing, mathematics, those kind of things. The schools are still under a mindset where the colleges of education have taught teachers to think based on philosophy and ideology. A lot of anecdotal, just trial and error, which doesn't usually lead to the large-scale effective outcomes across a large number of students. You might help one student here, one student there. What schools are beginning to understand is it really is quite important that they understand how the brain works. If you don't understand that it's the brain that does the learning, it's the brain that builds the reading skills, it's the human brain that does the spelling, and you don't know how it works, you're not going to be as effective in the instruction or as effective in understanding the diagnostics that you're collecting test scores from. Many parents and actually even many professionals don't understand that the test scores themselves are not what's most meaningful. What's meaningful is the approach and the test scores. How did the child approach this, or how did the teenager approach this task, or the adult for that matter? How are they actually attempting to sound out words? What approach, what method, what parts of the brain, what skills were they using to try to do that? Because that helps us then understand what is missing and how they're actually trying to move these skills forward and how they're actually trying to attempt this task. In 2013, I built an online ed tech company called Neuro-development of Words. We named it that just to really focus on helping people understand that it's not the science of reading that matters, it's brain science. How does the brain work? It's the science of learning. It's the science of the brain building skills that really is the game changer for building programs that have high effectiveness. Now you might think, well, just some kids don't learn to read. That's just kind of how it is. Not everyone's going to be a rocket scientist. But reading really is something that's critical and just crucial to your academic success and to life.